Yes guys, this is AUDJPY, a clear break and retest action here, and my intention is to take a sell and my take profits here at this red, this pink, dark pink color. This is where I marked my take profit. I marked the level from somewhere from the far left. Now the reason I'm taking this break and this sell is that there's already a clear break of this level, this region. You see this region. See, it's something. There's a reaction here a little bit. There's a reaction in this region a little bit. The same area, this area. And you can see that when the market came here, it reacted. Then what I did was to break through it and retested it, and you can see push to the downside, and I can as well enter a sell. Now today is 16th Monday, May 2022, and it's 7:27 p.m. New Zealand time, and I want to track this particular pair because I like the setup. The setup looks very good. So let's see what's going to happen by the end of the week. So if I place a sell, I take a sell here, then I would see how the market is able to react. So I'll take a sell here and come back to it. Hello guys, back again to the chart, AUDJPY. Today is the 18th. That's 2 days from the first day we started to track this particular pair. I want to see how the market reacts, how the pairs, how the currencies are able to react amongst themselves and outwit themselves. Now, if you look at the market, let's take this thing out first. Our intention initially was to take a sell, but look at what's happening. The market is consolidating. I just took this one out just to make sure you're able to see clearly what the market is doing. You can see a lot of wicks here, and this indicates that the market is not even giving an indication that it wants to even push to the upside. But what we want to do is to see how the market reacts from here, whether it's going to push to the upside or it's going to reverse to the downside. Now the reason why it's doing this is because it's on a key level. So what we're going to do is that we're going to still opt for a sell. So let's see what's going to happen. I'll catch you the next time, in the next video. Guys, this is FX Mesh Smashing It. What is going on, guys? Back again to AUDJPY. This market has just started to react, and remember, we have a key level here. The market is now pulling down with a significant bearish candlestick here. So let's watch what's going to happen and see how the market drives down into profit. I'll be back again later to check it out and see how the market goes. This is a 4 hours time frame, AUDJPY. Catch you in the next video. Again to our channel, AUDJPY. You can see the market has gone a significant distance into profits, but what we have here is that we are on Asian session. Today is 19th of May 2022. The time is 1:30 p.m. New Zealand time. What I see based on my experience in trading is that because there's a key level here, I believe that the market is going to retrace backwards to this key level during US session, maybe through the through the UK, the London session to the US session. Right now we're in the Asian session. The market is here. I expect that by evening time here, maybe around by 7 or 8 in the evening, New Zealand time, the market begin to revert. It will retrace back and hit this area. Then during the US session, there will be kind of a pullback. There will be a kind of a continuation of this trend, because if you look at the trend, it's on the downward spiral, but it won't just go down like that. It has to pull back during into the UK London session, then the US session. So I'm going to be tracking it. This is what we're tracking. This one we're tracking. I put this one as well, because I believe it's going to reverse. So let's see what's going to happen. We'll keep tracking this particular pair. We want to see how the market moves and how the market behaves. Catch you in the next video. Hello guys, this is FS Mesh back again to the charts. The time is 10:11 p.m. 19th of May 2022. It's Thursday evening New Zealand time, and I'm back again with the chart. You can see what's happening. The market is driven down into profit. I can take here as my first take profit. Take this point as my first take profit. As my first take profit. Then if the market drives down to this point, this will be my second take profit. You can see how we started, in this manner, up down. So I'll just keep tracking it. I still expect the market is gonna come here, pull back before it pushes to the downside. That's why I have this red marker here, but let's see what high is gonna be. We'll keep tracking the market to see how it goes. Catch you in the next video. Yes guys, back again to the AUDJPY. Today is 21st of May 2022, and this is the ending of the week. Let's say the ending part of the week. The market ended a few hours ago this morning. The time is 2:37 p.m. The market ended at around 9 a.m. in the morning. So 2:37 p.m. New Zealand time, and we've been tracking this particular pair for AUDJPY, and what we could see is that the market has been reacting to what we earlier predicted, where I mentioned that the market will come down here. This will be my first take profit, my second take profit. But what has happened is that the market has reached my first take profit, which is TP1 and my TP2 here. Even if the market does not get to my second take profit, but we can trust the process to see what's going to happen. The market does what it wants to do. Nobody is in charge of the market. The market just does its thing. There are economic indicators that drives the market. So it has hit TP1, and now I mentioned in the previous video that the market is likely going to go up here and react to this point, and you can see what it's doing. It moved from here and it's pushing to the upside. This market can do two things. It's either hit here and push down, because the trend is still on a bearish trend. Market came down here, hit here. If the market breaks through this level, then it's going to be going to start another new trend. It's going to change its character. Now you can see the push to the downside. Got here, reacts here. Remember, this is on the trend. This is on the trend. This is a trend. This is a trend that I've been building, symmetrically to the downside. It's a symmetric trend. So normally we expect to push to the downside to hit towards take profit or hit take profit. Now this market could reverse next week and now give us the normal break and retest, breaks through here, retest here, and it can start shooting to the upside. Now I I put a few notes here. I said tips on trading technically. 1, break price respect key level. 2, break retest. Then 3, build impulse correction and consolidation. You can see impulse correction, impulse to the upside, a little bit of correction, impulse to the downside, a little bit of correction, push to the upside, asymmetric push to the upside, a little bit of impulse here and of correction here, and push to the downside, and up again. Impulse is the direct movement with the straight push, right? A little bit of correction here, a consolidation, then push to the downside, and up again, and we're expecting to push to the downside. So this particular thing has, actually made us able to track what AUDJPY has been doing. Now, the reason why I'm making this video is that I want to see how the market reacts across the week. So I specifically chose AUDJPY, and you can see that what we have been saying is coming to fusion. Now, what stands out here significantly is that the AUD to the JPY has been weak. JPY has gained more strength against the Australian dollars. So that's why you see that there's a kind of a beautiful pattern pushing to the downside, and we are drawn key levels to identify where the market actually corrects. So we have correction, we have impulse, we have correction, impulse, and in these impulses, that's where we take our trades. These impulses are where we take our trade, and that's where we bag pips. Hits here, correct here, hits here, for example, and sorry, that will be a sell. That was a sell. Comes here, hit here, you see a bullish candlestick to the downside, and you take a sell around there, down like that, as a sell. So every impulse is where we take our trades. So this is a nice trading for AUDJPY. I'll be doing more tracking of other pairs, and that will be very, very good for us. I'll catch you in the next one. This is FX Mesh smashing it. If you like what we're about, please like, subscribe, and share. Catch you in the next one. Peace out. Hello guys, this is FX Mesh smashing it. What is going on, guys? You're welcome to the ending part of this video, AUDJPY, and we have seen all over the week that the market has reacted, supporting the bearish push, a continuous bearish push to the downside, which means that JPY has gained more strength and continuously done that against the AUD. So we try to see how the market reacted at a particular key level, and what we had TP1 and TP2 to hit. So we actually hit TP1, which was good. Then the market reversed back, because I was thinking that I believe that the market is going to hit TP1, the rebounds and hit, and get to TP, hit the key level back, rebounds and push to the downside after kissing the reacting around the red trend line. Now, the reason why I'm doing this video is just to see how the market reacts to key levels, which is very important in our trading. I deliberately use 4 hours time frame because 4 hours time frame, although it requires a lot of patience, but you see that every candlestick is 4 hours, and for the market to complete 4 hours candle, it must have taken a long time to actually decide what it wants to do based on what's driving the market. Now, economic indicators that drives the markets are things like CPI, which is Consumer Price Index. We also have Producers Price Index, which is PPI. We also have inflation rates. We have unemployment data and employment data, and also the NFP, the non-farm payroll data as well. So another like interest rate as well. So these are key economic indicators that drive the market. So sometimes this week we didn't have those for this particular pairs in question, which is the AUD and JPY, but
we can see continuous movement. What I'm trying to do is also to draw attention to how the market can behave in a week. So I focused on this particular pair to see what the market can do based on this, based on what the market reaction. So this is FX Smashing It. If you like what I'm about, please like, subscribe, and share. I'll catch you in the next one. Look forward to my weekly forex index forecast for next week, the coming week, which is I think 23rd to 27th of May 2022, where I'll be doing a forex review. Catch you in the next one. Peace out.